Welcome to the demo of prithviprarup.net, an eToD portal created by globalcoordinates.net. We aim to provide most detailed eToD data for aerodromes for use in aviation and other industry. You can find more details about that in our About section by clicking on the About Portal button, and here you will find all the details relevant to that. If you go back, here you will find that you can explore eToD databases. You can also download some reports that have been created by our team. Going back to the Explore eToD database section, for each of the aerodrome, you can click on the I button to get more information on the kind of imagery and other details that you can find for that aerodrome. So let's try and view the IGI aerodrome. Once we click view, as you see, the website is asking us to sign in. So let's try and sign in to the website. If you have not created a account yet, please use sign up to create an account. More about that in the end of the video. For now, let's just sign in. As you see, now that we have logged in and we click view, we will be taken to a page where we can view. On the left hand side, you'll be able to see all the different overlays. If you click on an overlay, you will see the group of layers in each of them. For example, if you go to the bottom and see there is a base map, and there you will find a base map layer. If you click on it and try and zoom, you will be able to see the layer. There is an option to zoom to layer, which will center and zoom to the image directly. One more interesting feature about this is that apart from OpenStreetMap, you can also increase or decrease the opacity of the layers so that you can then accordingly see features on top of the OpenStreetMap as you want to, or other layers as well. So you can select multiple layers. For example, we go to obstacle area 2A in Delhi eToD dataset and select vegetation. It will highlight all the vegetation that have been identified in that area. Again, we can increase the opacity for the same and decrease it. Now, if you want to see more details about a specific feature, you can click on the feature to find more details about that. It will give you a detail of which layer this information is coming from, what are the feature details, and the respective details from that layer. Another interesting feature of our eToD is that using the search icon here on the left, you can basically use latitude and longitude in the degree, minute, second format and pinpoint a specific location. For example, let me try and do the same. So it shows me an area in Mahipalpur, and I can zoom in and see what exactly is there. that's relevant. You can close the link by closing the search. Similarly, if you want to go and see another aerodrome, you can click on the drop down from the aerodrome section and click on Santa Cruz Aerodrome. Once you reach Santa Cruz Aerodrome and select a layer, here this is the base map layer. It will load the base map for you. You can again zoom to layer, which will automatically zoom you to the layer and center it for you over the map. Right now I have increased the opacity to maximum. I can reduce it to 50%, I can take it all the way down, and so on. One more interesting feature of the eToD is that you can click on the metadata information to gain more information about the layers, the base map, and how the data was collected. So I hope this was useful and you will be able to browse through various different layers that are available in our eToD, and they'll be useful for various different processes and operations in your aviation and other businesses. One more thing that you can do is, if you go to download sections, you can basically look at various different reports that have been published by our team. So you'll be able to see the report here. Similarly, you can download other reports that have been released by our team. If you have not logged in, I can quickly show you how to do that. If you have not created an account on our portal, let me try and show you how to do that. You go to sign up. Once you go to sign up, you fill in your name. You select your country for your phone. In my case, it will be India. I write about the area of interest that I have. I'll give in a phone number. This is a test phone number. I'll give in my company email. I choose my password. I select the terms and agreement, and then I create an account. So an email has been sent to you. If you open your account, you will see an email looking like this: activate your account and welcome to eToD data. And then Once you click that link, it will take you to the portal where your account will be activated, and then you will be able to go and log in to the eToD website. Thank you very much for going through the demo with me.